Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to make a Google form available offline using the Google Drive app. This feature is incredibly useful for those moments when you don't have internet access but still need to collect data. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, ensure that you have the Google Drive app installed on your device. Once you have that ready, open the app and navigate to your files. You'll want to find the form that you wish to make available offline. This could be a survey, a feedback form, or any other type of Google form you've created. Now, once you locate the form, look for the three dots next to it. This icon is often referred to as the overflow menu and provides additional options for managing your files. Tap on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will see an option labeled Available Offline. Click on this option. By doing so, you're instructing Google Drive to save a copy of this form on your device. This means that even when you're not connected to the internet, you can still access and fill out this form. It's important to remember that while you can fill out the form offline, any responses will be saved locally on your device. Once you regain internet access, those responses will sync with your Google Drive account automatically. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who frequently work in areas with unreliable internet service or for those who are often on the go. Whether you're conducting surveys in remote locations or just need access to important forms during travel, making your Google form available offline ensures that you're always prepared. To recap, here are the steps. 1. Open the Google Drive app. 2. Find the desired form. 3. Tap on the three dots next to it. Select Available Offline. And there you have it. You can now use your Google form without an internet connection. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide, and I hope these tips help streamline your data collection process.